Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Marisa Espinosa, 36 years old. I live in Malabon City. I'm a single mom with one daughter, 10 years old. I'm graduate in high school. My work experience in Riyadh Sanani. I start September 2023 and finish October 2025. It's a villa house, 3 bedrooms and 4 toilets. My main responsibility was taking care of the baby girl who was 6 months old when I arrived. I wake up at 7 in the morning to freshen up myself. At 8 a.m., my mom and Sir go to work. Only the baby and I left at home. When the baby was sleeping, I clean in the living room. I do vacuum, mop the floor, and wiping. When the baby wake up, first thing I did was I give her milk, then change her diaper. After an hour, I will give her a bath. If she want to play, I would play with her. When she was 2 years old, I learn her to potty training, and also I teach her how to brush her teeth, and I teach her child numbers, coloring activities, and the alphabet. I prepare also her food, boiled vegetables. I blend it and I put a little rice. If she want to eat, I feed her. At 5 p.m., my mom and sir coming from work. I started to do the other household like ironing and washing the clothes. Weekend, they go out to the playground so the baby can play. And sometimes she attend a swimming lesson. And Saturday, I do a general cleaning in the living room, kitchen, toilet, and the bedroom. I change the pillowcase and the bed sheet. The family members are three. The father 40 years old, the mother 36 years old, and the baby was 2 years old. Finish my work at 8 p.m. My work's experience in Jeddah as a domestic helper. I start September 2019 and finish April 2022. It's a big house, 6 bedrooms and 5 toilets. My duties and responsibilities: I wake up at 5:30 in the morning to freshen up myself. At 6 a.m., I prepare breakfast when the children are going to school. If the children are leaving, I start to fix in their bed. I change the pillowcase and the bedsheet after 2 weeks. In the living room, I clean every day to maintain a cleanliness because my mom and sir are always sit and watching television while drinking an Arabic coffee. At 11 a.m., I prepare lunch because the children are coming from school. After eat the lunch, I clean the dining area and wash the dishes. Before I take my rest, I make an Arabic coffee for my mom and sir. After my rest hour, I do other household chores like ironing and washing clothes, and sometimes I do a massage to my madam. I make dinner for them, and weekend I make pizza or cinnamon bread. The family members are 8. The father 60 years old, the mother 55 years old, the oldest is 28 years old, 25 years old, 21 years old, 18 years old, 14 years old, and the youngest is 9 years old. Finish my work at 8 p.m. That's all.